Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start, ensure your HP Envy laptop is turned off and unplugged. You'll need a few tools for this process: a Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to your components. Begin by flipping the laptop over to access the back panel. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back panel. Make sure to keep track of each screw, as they can be different lengths. Once all screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Work your way around the edges, being careful not to damage the clips holding the panel in place. With the back panel off, you'll see the battery connected to the motherboard. Before proceeding, it's advisable to check for any dust accumulation inside the laptop. If you notice any, use a can of compressed air to gently clean the internal components. This will help maintain optimal performance. Next, locate the battery connector and gently disconnect it by pulling it straight out. It's important to handle this with care to avoid damaging the socket. Now, you'll need to remove the screws that secure the battery in place. Again, use your Phillips screwdriver for this task. Once the screws are removed, carefully lift the battery out of its compartment. If you're unsure about handling this, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help anytime. Now, take your new battery and align it in the compartment. Press it down gently and make sure it fits snugly. Reattach the screws to secure the new battery in place. Remember, do not over-tighten these screws, as this can cause damage. After securing the new battery, reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard. Ensure it clicks into place firmly. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this replacement, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. It's a convenient option that saves you time and hassle. Once everything is back in place, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Finally, replace all the screws you removed earlier to secure the back panel. Now, flip your laptop back over and plug it in. Press the power button to turn it on. If everything was done correctly, your laptop should power up without any issues. If you encounter any problems, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know what to expect before any work is done. In summary, changing the battery in your HP Envy laptop is a straightforward process if you follow these steps closely. With the right tools and precautions, you can extend the life of your laptop and improve its performance significantly. If you need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. Remember, no calls, no travel, just a simple solution at your convenience. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.